Hey guys, so I want to show you today a demo of how to use Proton to build a prototype that connects to some actual data without writing any code. So first, I have a mock-up that I built in Sketch, and if we open this up, we'll see it's just a very basic to-do list design. We have a page to display a list of to-do items, and then we have a page to create new items, and then we have a little login page over here too. So what we're going to do in Proton is we're going to go here and create a new app. We'll just call this to-do list. And then what we have to do is just simply drag in the design, and it will be imported screen by screen into Proton. And just like that, if we were to click preview right now, we would be able to see everything that comes from the design here with no modifications, just like it looked in Sketch. But what we want to do is we want to go over here and actually create some data that links to this design. So we're going to create a new table. We're going to call it tasks. And then we're going to add a column to this called description, which is going to hold the body of our to-do list tasks. So if we go back over to the screen page, and I'll zoom in so you can see this a little better. So what we have to do here is basically convert this group we have from Sketch into a list object, and then we can drag it out a little bit so we can see that it's a list. And then we just have to basically link this to the all tasks. And then we'll hook up the text here to the tasks, the current tasks description field, and then we'll link up the timestamp to the date that that task was created. And for the format, we'll select this relative format. So we go here, we'll be able to see the list. Oh, but wait, there's nothing on here because we haven't actually added any tasks in the database yet. So go back over here to the tasks database. We can create one here. Let's just call this wash dishes. Maybe we have another one for take out the trash. And then now if we click preview, this will actually show us our tasks right here. Nice and easy. So just like that, in only a couple of minutes, we're able to get that working and linking to that actual database. But that's really not as much as we want to do this. We want to actually have the ability to create new tasks. And to do that, all we have to do is link these screens together like so. And we'll make this a float up transition so that it pops up nicely. And then once we're on this page, we'll make this cancel button link back. Once we're on this page, we want to have a text field that basically lets us enter the description for the new task. We're going to go over here and change this description to a text field, and then we're going to add an action, what's called an action, to this save button here. So when you click this, we see that there's this section over here called actions, and we can press add action. So when you click this, when I create an object, we want the data source to be our app data, and we want the collection to be tasks. And then so what we have to do is select where the individual field values will come from. So for description, which is our only field, we can just have it come from our text field, which was named group over here. This is the one. So we do that, and then after we want to chain another action with that to basically navigate us back to the previous screen. So we'll just, when that happens, we'll just go back after that completes. And it won't run that until after this create object has succeeded. So if it were to fail, then we would just remain on the same screen for any reason, as would typically be the expected behavior. So let's try this out. Let's see if we can create a task. Okay, so we have our existing tasks that we already made, and then if we go over here, we can pop up a little dialog, and we can say maybe pick up kids from daycare. And then just like that, it adds it to our list. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I guess we should also probably sort that list in reverse chronological order, because it wouldn't really make sense to have new ones show up at the bottom. And we can do that through the same way that we added the original list binding. But basically, in about 5 minutes, we've created a functional working prototype that we could actually use to test an idea out. And because the design came straight from Sketch, we really have an opportunity to design it however we want. We don't have to be constrained to any particular set of pre-built components or anything like that. So it's pretty unique in the way that it does this, and I don't know that there are any other tools out there that do this way today. But I just wanted to show you guys this quick demo, and there will be more to come in the future. Thanks for watching.